Hey, fellow traders. This is Stock Tiger coming to you today. Hope y'all having a great day. This is a quick 5 minutes video on where I think the profit space is going to be in the next 6 months and what I plan to do between now through next year to reduce my exposure to risk and protect my trading journey, just in case the profit space start to show bigger cracks and bring a little to no benefits for traders like you and myself to trade in the profit spaces. Quickly, let me reinstate, I have zero doubt and absolutely no doubt that the prop firms will continue to exist and offer decent opportunities to traders with no capital trying to make profits and payouts. But I think this journey will be tough and it will only get even harder and tougher, especially if you are new to this journey. I also do think we will be left with fewer firms to trade with, and if you ask me now who's that's going to be, I honestly don't have the answer, of course, but it's most probably within the larger firms that exist today. Do I have any preferences? I really do not. I really don't care who ends up being the winner, because as a traders, what matters the most is the payouts, and whoever is going to support that thesis will ultimately get our support. So with that said though, I also want to be very clear that I don't like traders who never really have taken much of the payouts in the past, but also they continue to promote their affiliates. And the reason to this is because if they don't know how to trade and get payouts, then how the hell are they going to know which firms are better than the other, right? And I feel bad for traders falling into these traps, unfortunately, and I hope at some point these traders will wake up and stop falling into these traps, with the guys trying to promote their affiliates, both on the YouTube, and I think the bigger issue is the social media space. It is mind-boggling as to how much a lot of these fellow traders are getting trapped. Anyways, guys, with all these changes to the trading rules and the complexities, it is very clear that, including myself and you, it's only going to get harder to get payouts and take a lot longer to get these into payouts, right? And I think this is only the beginning and the worst is yet to come. And I think it's very important that we prepare ourselves for the worst. And I think it's in our interest that we prepare these right now and immediately. As a traders, let's be very honest and let's just face the fact that and this does not relate to traders, of course, who's been trading for a year or two. You can just continue doing what you're doing, and of course there will be bumps along the way, but just continue learning and continue trading the way you think is right for you. But for traders who's been trading for many years, who's only been profitable with the prop firms and does not know how to trade the equities or their own personal live account, and trust me, a lot of traders are like that, or never experienced their own personal accounts, because soon as they started learning trading, they hopped on to the prop firm space. Anyways, they will have to decide what they want to do, either become a YouTube entertainer and gossip all freaking day. And of course, some of the YouTubers are already like that, right? And of course, I'm not going to name the channel, but I'm sure you guys are already fully aware who they may be. Or simply shift to a personal live account and just trade your own personal accounts. Nonetheless, as a traders, very soon we'll have to decide our future, right? And how our journey is going to be. As I think it's not going to be the same as it was in the past. And you know what, guys? Unfortunately, that is just the reality. Okay. Finally, for Stock Tiger, that's me. I want to be making this very quick overview statement as to what I plan to do going forward. First, I will continue to trade the prop firm as I did in the past. Not a significant change to this specific prop firm journey, but I will not try to find new firms to trade with, nor I will not try to get bigger exposure with prop firms. Meaning, what I'm essentially trying to get to is I will not want to get more funded accounts. And to be quite honest with you, I will be totally fine and okay to just trade with few funded accounts and build a bigger cushion with those few accounts that I have. right? And work towards getting an unlimited payout dollars with that few funded accounts. Something that I've added recently was my own personal public live account. I will trade equities and I will trade options. I've already shared my open positions on my personal public account on the community tab. Take a look. But I will also be doing my own swing trades with that personal live account as well. And this being a personal public account, any profits I'll make, it's all mine, right? 100%, it's all mine. And I will withdraw any profits that I make with this account on a closing month basis. Ultimately, what I like to see is a 50-50 between the prop firm and the public personal account. I will trade both of these side by side, okay? And of course, as when the prop firm gets even more difficult with their rules, I will make a bigger shift in that proportion, right? And shift and lean towards the personal live accounts. And again, vice versa, of course. I will increase my exposure with the prop firm if the rules and the regulations become more friendly environment for traders like you and for myself. So guys, this is what I plan to do, and obviously I honestly look forward to this journey together with you guys. Hope this video gave you and the viewers some level of a motivation, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I go live every evening during the Asian market, 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'll love to see y'all in the stream. You know, we actively trade all live. Again, it's all live trading, and look, you know, obviously for next day trading setups as well. So until then, see you all in the stream and have a great day and peace.